Fila Costeña, which translates to coastal ridge, is a region located in the south of Costa Rica, and as the name implies, is a higher altitude area. It links the lower lands adjacent to the Gulf of Dulce, where Piedras Blancas National Park is located, with the highlands of Amistad International Park, a large tract of nature that is more remote and incredibly wildlife-rich and shared by Costa Rica and Panama. The combination of its position between protected nature area, its geography and a variety of habitats that can be found in a landscape, we believe it has the potential to act as a very important biological corridor, also in the light of climate change, when animals might have to adjust to new conditions. For us, it's paramount to improve our understanding on the current presence of wild species to pinpoint which specific areas within this vast region might need better protection. One very useful way to get a better picture of the wildlife that roams this landscape is the use of camera traps. So, after previous field expeditions, studying maps and connecting to landowners, we set out on a mission to install the first camera traps in the region in May 2023.
The best way to describe the landscape of Fila Costeña is extremely steep. It consists of an area of the highlands with rolling, beautiful hills of steep secondary forests integrated with a mosaic patchwork of grazing pasture land. There are many complexities that come with working in such a challenging environment, such as trying to navigate areas of unexplored rainforest which have no trails whatsoever, rapidly changing weather conditions, and trying to retrieve camera traps which we set up months in advance.
Cada vez que instalamos una cámara trampa, hacemos como una pequeña camino o un pequeño sendero, y la idea es dejar como marcas en que sean herramientas quebradas o pequeños cortes, y con ayuda del GPS donde marcamos, más el compás, dirigirnos y ir buscando estas pequeñas marcas hasta llegar a donde está la cámara.
Ok, todos los días después del campo regresamos acá, utilizamos las CCDs en una computadora para verificar las especies que hasta el momento hemos encontrado. Cuando encontramos especies que pueden ser particulares, chequeamos con aplicaciones como iNaturalist para ver si el rango de distribución es una especie reportada acá. También hemos encontrado bastantes aves, algunas por sus colores o por sus patrones de colores, los intentamos verificar con aplicaciones como Merlin. Para verificar, bueno, si esta especie se ha visto acá o no antes. Además hemos encontrado algunos felinos en el área, para esto chequeamos sus manchas para corroborar si es el mismo individuo que está cruzando en la zona de estudio o se puede tratar de otro.
We will go back to the area to collect the last camera traps and already are full of plans to explore other parts of this vast region to repeat the camera trap process so we can get a fuller view of its wildlife presence and the way they use the landscape. Different areas might harbor different species. We, for example, know that coyote is one of the species that roams the region, so we hope to get more data that show the wide variety of species that live here. The sites where the camera traps record these species will be analyzed to further our understanding of which areas within the wider region have the highest potential and really act as a biological corridor. By doing so, we will be able to create a conservation map for the area in collaboration with local people, which will guide next steps for the best protection of this biological corridor that effectively runs from ridge to reef.